How to access Google Merchant Center. So, before we get started, let me tell you what the Google Merchant Center is. So, it is actually a single online dashboard where online businesses manage their appearance across all Google e-commerce products and make changes to their own online listings as needed. Now, to get started, all you need to do is to simply open your Google browser and go to google.com/retail/solutions/merchant-center/. Now, in here, you can actually see your Google for Retail. So, in this section, you can actually sign up for free. And the reason why you need to try the Google Merchant Center is that it's only for free and you can actually make use of this one. So in the upper right hand corner, let's click on sign up for free. Now basically you will be routed to a separate page, and in this page you will be asked some questions. Now all you need to do is to answer these questions. The first question that you need to answer is, do you sell products online? If yes, then click on yes. If no, click on no. Now, input your store website. Next one is that if you have a brick and mortar store, you just need to answer yes, but if not, click on no. So the next section is you can actually show your products in Google for free. Here are good to know informations before you continue to the Merchant Center. So where will your product show? So actually, Google will connect it to the right customers across search, YouTube images, and assistants. So customers will see your products. And this is what you need to know about the Google Merchant Center. So your own online store. You need to have an online store that accepts payments and has clearly priced products, offers returns, and has your contact information. Next is that only products are acceptable and not services. So if you have like consulting, massages, and repair services, you cannot continue to the Merchant Center. You have to have a tangible material. Now let's continue to the Merchant Center. When you continue to the Merchant Center, you just need to first enter your business information. So input your business name. Next is if you want to get personalized email notifications on news and tips, tick on the box, but if not, you can leave it as is. Now let's continue to the Merchant Center. Once you continue to the Merchant Center, you will be routed to this page. So you need to complete your sign up, or you need to have this fully set up. And let's continue. Now, the first thing that you need to do is here in the left-hand corner, you can actually add your business details. So here in the business details section, you just need to input your business address, the city, state or province, and your postal or zip code. Now input your phone number as well for verification purposes. Basically, Google will use this to verify your owner of the business, and it will not display to your customers. So moving on to the next step. Next is you need to verify and claim your website. So in here, you can actually see your website address. And to verify your website, you can actually add an HTML tag, or you could also upload an HTML file. So if you want to add an HTML tag, you just need to follow these steps. So first is you just need to copy the HTML tag generated for your website. Now copy this one right here, and then paste the HTML tag in the HTML code for your site's homepage. It should go in the head section before the body section. If you don't know where it is located, you can actually click on the hyperlink and you can actually see the example right there. Now, third is you can click Verify Website below to submit your website to Google Search Console for verification. Fourth is you will receive a confirmation email from Google Search Console and be able to continue to the next step. All right, now moving on. The next step is that you're going to set up your shipping. So here, first is that you will have the service coverage. So here you need to input your shipping service name, the countries where you can deliver the service or the product basically, and the currency as well. Lastly, you have the delivery location. So of course, we have this at the customer's address. Let's continue. When you continue, you will just have to input the delivery time. So here, you just need to input your order cutoff time. So say for example, my order cutoff time would be at 8 p.m. and then, or 6 p.m. rather. And then here, we just need to input our time zone. So I'm gonna use Philippines time zone. So I'm gonna search here Philippines. All right. Now here for the delivery time, you just need to input your order handling time. You can actually hit or move your cursor to the question mark right there beside order handling time in order for you to know how to input that one. Okay, now say for example, I'm gonna have 6 here. All right. So let's have 0 and 0 right here. Now input the days that you would like to fulfill the order, and let's have the transit time as well, and the days that you would like to ship the order. Let's continue. Now here you just need to input the shipping cost. So for example, you want to have a free shipping cost over a certain amount. Say for example, any orders of 3,000 pesos and above ships for free, and other orders will be shipped for a certain amount. You can also have the range based. So here, so for orders below like that certain amount, you will charge that amount. For the flat rate, it means to say that any products or any price of the product, there will be like a fixed or uniform amount of the shipping fee. You could also have your free shipping option there. As for me, let's say for example, I'm gonna have a free shipping over a certain amount and other orders will be shipped for 150 pesos. Now let's continue. Next is you're just going to add or set up your products in this section. So to add your products, there are actually 2 options. You can add one product at a time, or you could also add multiple products at once. So I'm gonna choose add one product at a time right here. So in this section, basically, I just need to input all the information. Make sure that you input the information that has an asterisk onto it because you cannot continue if you skip on those parts, basically. Right. So here we have our product identifiers as well. So the GTIN, UPC, A8N, JAIN, or ISBN. So an identifier is a number with a specific amount of digits depending on the type of identifier, and it should be a unique and internationally recognized number associated with this product. For some products, it is located in the barcode on the packaging or book cover. So Google uses the ID to match this product to the terms people search on Google. In the product data section, you can add the ID or SKU, the title, the brand, the description. If you do have a link or a landing page, you can add that one as well. You could also have your image link, or you could actually browse on your file and input it. So here in price and availability, you just need to input the price and the currency of the product and also the availability. So in this section, you just need to input whether it's in stock, limited availability, out of stock, pre-order. Next is you just need to input your detailed product description, so whether it's new, refurbished, or used, And if you have an apparel or variant product, you just need to enable this one and input all the necessary information, like say for example, the color of the product, the sizes, the genders, then the age groups. So input it in the fields right here. All right. Next is you just have your shipping, tax, and returns as well. Okay. Now, once done inputting all the information, you just need to click on the save button. Okay, let's continue. All right, now here in the next section, you have your view Google policies. So here you have your refund and return policy on your website. So your policy should explain exactly how you handle returns and refunds. For example, what customers are required to do, under what circumstances you offer returns and refunds, the time frame in which you accept returns, and when customers can accept a refund. Okay, now once done, you just need to go to your final review section. And in this section, you just need to see through that all information are accurate and true. And that's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you find this video helpful.